Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you two things in this particular video here. One thing I'm going to show is a couple of days ago or so, about 3 days ago, I made a video, a CLICKBANK method right here. As you can see where my mouse is right here, guys, it's this video right here. And I showed a site called AdHits. It's a paid site on how to run paid ads to any affiliate product that you want, and I used a CLICKBANK product. Well, I had a couple people that asked me to show my results of that particular ad spend, and then I'm going to show you also a method, an easy method that you can use from two websites that you can use to make about $60 possible per week or per day, per week, depending on how much you do it. It's not going to help. You're not going to make a lot of money with this method today, but it is a good way to make some extra spending money. So if you're interested in those type of things, stick around. We're going to get started on that here in just a moment. First of all, for those of you that are new to my videos here or channel, my YouTube channel, Freedom Motivator. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel, as you see right here. And if this is your first time here, of course, I want you to reach down there below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell and get so that you get notified when I upload new videos, such as this one right here. Now, if making a little bit of extra money today in this method that I'm going to show you on these couple of websites does not interest you, you can go ahead and watch 400 plus other videos that I have right here on my channel where you can make several $1,000s, $100, or up to thousands of dollars right even getting started today on that. So there's plenty of other videos here you can watch, but if this one interests you, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can make about $60 per day or per week, depending on how much that you get yourself involved in it and how much you do on this particular method. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in on this. First of all, I want to show the people that asked about this particular video right here to show my stats on that, and that's what I'm going to do here right now. So the site that I used was called AdHits. Okay, you see it right here. It's up here in the address bar. It's called AdHits.com. You see that right there? And it's a CLICKBANK product that I used. It was this one right here called Empire. I don't know if I'm going to show it to you right there. It's called Empire right here, and it's how to get traffic to your particular business or your website or your landing page or whatever. This product was about getting traffic. Okay, and this is here is my CLICKBANK stats. What I'll show you here first. First, I want to show you the stats on AdHits, and now I only spent about $10 on this particular test that I ran right here. So if I click login right here, guys, and log into my account, you see where my mouse is here, and it logs us in. And if I come up here to where it says advertisers right here, and I come down to my network or my ad stats right here, it should come over, and it does. And I'm going to choose right here all adverts, it says, but I called it the free traffic system is my ad setup right here. And you can see some of the stats right here. I had it set to start on Monday the 20th, right? And that's where you see it started at right here. I had 741,000 views, 212 clicks, and it shows the click-through rate, the cost per thousand impressions, and cost per click was only about 2 cents, guys. And you can see that I had it set to spend about $5 per day out of $10. So about a little over, it went a little over 2 days. I only had 88 cents left on that third day. Alrighty, and you can see some of the things right here in the click-through. So if I come up here and click on network ads, it brings us over here. And you can see right here, here is the ad that I created on that video. Alrighty, it's make 128 per day, which is what I took right here off of this site right here, and put that in here and made my little ad, and I had it run all over the world. Okay, you can choose specific places, but I had it run all over the world. And you can see that right here is my CLICKBANK link right here. I called it the free traffic system, as you see. And here's my CLICKBANK link with AdHits as my tracking ID. Alrighty. And you can see that I had a total of 460 clicks out of almost, or a little way over 1 million total impressions or views altogether of this particular ad on their networks. Okay, now so if I come over to CLICKBANK here, and I can show you, you can see right here I'm on the page here, and you can see that it started, the hop started, here's the date, Monday the 20th, and you can see that the hop started on there for those 2 days, the 20th and the 21st, and then it kind of went down a little bit on the 22nd, because as I showed you here, there were only what was that, there were only 88 cents that day, and even so I had 154,000 impressions on their network and 41 clicks. So a total of a little over 400 clicks, and you can see right here on the CLICKBANK, it's right down here, you can see where my mouse is, guys. By the way, there were no sales. I didn't get any sales, but this was a test run. I wanted to see how good Ad Hits was, because there were some people out there, like on Trustpilot, I found, that didn't think that Ad Hits was a very reputable ad platform. Well, I'm going to show you that it is. It is. In my mind, I think it's a very reputable platform. Right here, I had a total hop count of 828. You can see right here, guys, you can see here's my tracking ID. It's Ad Hits right here. And if we come across over here, you can see that I had a total of 82 order form impressions. So out of all those clicks that I had 82 order form impressions. That means it were 82 people that clicked on this button right here to view the order form, all right, which is this page right here. And it had a $1 trial on it, and so on, and then $37 a month after the trial period. I believe I think the trial period was like 14 days or something like that, or 7 days. But anyways, yeah, so I had that many people that clicked through to sort of 82. That to me is a pretty good run for $10 that I spent to test this platform out. That's a pretty good. I had almost headed toward 2 million impressions all over the world in their network of websites, and total of 460 clicks on the ad itself. Alrighty, guys, to me that's a pretty good. I'm impressed with what I've seen here, even though I didn't make any sales on that particular $10 test, but nonetheless I wanted to see how good it would turn out, and to me that turned out pretty good, guys. So I'm going to say Ad Hits is a very good site that you can run paid ads with and put in, as you can start with as little money as you want, anywhere from $1 all the way up to how much that you want to spend on ads. All right, so Ad Hits, in my opinion, is a good, reputable site. Alrighty, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to share some of that, so I had a couple people ask to see this. So there you go, and that's that. Now let's go ahead and jump over and get started in today's method. The first site we want to come to, guys, is this right here. Like I said, you're going to be able to make about $60 per day, or maybe $60 per week. It could be more than that, depending on how much you want to do that. And what we're going to do is you're going to learn how to make money just by listening to radio music or listening to talk shows or whatever you like to do. You can make money listening to radios. As you can see, the site we're at is called Radio Earn. Right up here in the address bar, guys, it's radioearn.com. You see it right there. And then if we come down to about how it works, it's right here. Guys, this is all free. It doesn't cost anything to do this. You just sign up, create a free account by clicking sign up right up here, guys. And then you sign in. After your registration, you can log in and see your account. And you can start the radio or use the API. Start earning by clicking open on your radio links. And you can also use the live API for your own website if you want. And you can have other people listening from your website, and you can make more money having them listen to the radio on your website even. Alrighty? And then it's just a matter of earning and paying out. Every 15 minutes you earn points, and those points will be converted at the following month to US dollars, and then the US dollars, or the money, you can pay out via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, or as you can see right here, guys, it's Bitcoin. You can get paid in cryptocurrency on this site as well. And it's got some really great features here. High compatibility. All browsers that support HTML5 audio can start earning. and it's got the best placed ads. The ads in the audio stream depends on the location, and so on and so forth. And style your radio. You can even choose how to make the radio software look like on your in your browser. And it's got detailed statistics that you can see of how many, real-time statistics of radios and API. And it says simple system here, stable point exchange, and much of security systems for you and your partners. And then it's just a matter of earning and payout. It says you earn a lifetime and your converted points in US dollars. You can every time simple payout, and you can also, it looks like here, they'll tell you they'll even pay out by PayPal, as you can see right here, guys, right above me here, and pay out by PayPal as well. And then there's some questions and answers about this particular site, guys. And as you can see, is the service free? Yes, it's free. The membership is 100% free, no premium packages or something like that. And then you can see some of these else here. Earn points. The points will always be confirmed in the following month. And then you can get bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, like I said, or even PayPal. Okay? And it says even right how long does it take. It says we pay by net 30 via PayPal here. So make sure you have a PayPal account. And then you can see their live statistics going on right there. There's about 433,000 members on this particular site here listening right now. 197 people right now at this moment in time all over the world are listening to their music and making money. And right here they've already paid out, what is that, $223,437. I think it could be 223 million, I don't know, something like that, but it looks like $223,000. So as you can see, guys, you're not going to get rich off of this, but it's a good way to make some extra spending money for yourself if you want in your spare time, even on your phone or on your browser on your computer. You might as well get paid to listen to music or whatever you like to listen to. And that's all, just a matter of signing up. Click on sign up here, guys, and fill out the form. And it's you pick a username, your first name, last name, email address. Now, if you're going to get paid by PayPal, I would use my PayPal email address in right here. Pick a good, strong password. And then you want to fill out this little CAPTCHA thing right here, and then just click the register button that you see right here, guys, and get registered up. And then it's just a matter of coming back, getting signed in, and start earning money by listening to your favorite type of music or talk show or whatever you want to listen to. And then the other site that we can do this with is also right here. It's called current.us. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's current.us, and it's the same thing here, although this is done on your phone. It's for the iOS or iPhone and for the Android phone, and you can earn, it says right here, play music, to earn up to $600 per year on this. So you can see, guys, you're not going to make a whole lot of money, but it is a way to make some extra spending money. And you can earn more points the more that you play. And it's just search and play from over 100,000 plus radio stations, guys. And right up here you can see it's earned $600 per year. You can download the app and earn points by playing your favorite music, and then spend your points on your favorite brands. And it's just, they've got some frequently asked questions here, and so on and so forth. And guys, and that's how you can make some pretty good extra money, extra spending money per week as you get the thing rolling. Now, like the other sites, it's only going to pay once a month. So nonetheless, you can at least get it built up for the month, and your next month you'll have some pretty good money coming in to your PayPal or bank transfer account or whatever. So guys, that's the method that I had for you today. It's simple, it's easy. You're not going to make a lot of money, but it's a good way to make some extra spending money on these two sites, Radio Earn and current.us, this site right here. Guys, if you like this particular method in this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there so that you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you got any comments about this particular video or the methods, and even if you have any other comments about the stats that I showed you on my previous video, done right here, this video right here, guys, you can leave those down in there, or you can even put them down in the comment section on this video if you want as well. Well, guys, also, if you want to see my free video presentation that'll show you the formula of how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands of dollars even in one day's possibility, you want to reach down there below your video where you see in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what's available there for you that will show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting as soon as today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.